Story: The Hermit and the Mouse. What if the smallest friend could change your whole life? A kind hermit saves a tiny mouse, but soon a big problem begins. Will the mouse become a blessing or a trouble? Let's find out in this beautiful story. Story 12: The Hermit and the Mouse, Level 1. Once upon a time, there lived a kind hermit in a small hut near a forest. He was a peaceful man who spent his days praying, reading holy books, and helping animals. All the animals in the forest loved him because he was gentle and caring. One day, while the hermit was sitting outside his hut, he saw a small mouse running fast. The mouse looked very scared. Behind it, a big cat was chasing it. The hermit quickly picked up the mouse and saved it from the cat. The little mouse was shaking with fear. The hermit softly said, "Don't be afraid, little one. You are safe now." He gave the mouse some rice to eat and a small place to stay. The mouse felt happy and safe in the hermit's hut. From that day, the mouse started living with the hermit. A few days later, a dog came near the hut. It saw the mouse and barked loudly. The mouse became frightened and hid under the bed. The hermit saw this and said, "You are always in danger, my dear mouse. I will help you." He used his magic powers and turned the mouse into a cat. Now, the mouse had become a cat. It was no longer afraid of dogs. The cat roamed around the hut freely. But one day, a tiger came near the forest hut. The cat got scared again. The hermit laughed and said, "You want to be stronger again?" Then he used his magic and turned the cat into a tiger. The tiger became big and powerful. At first, it was thankful to the hermit, but slowly, pride filled its heart. It thought, "Why should I live with the hermit? I am stronger than him." One day, the tiger decided to attack the hermit. The wise hermit looked at the tiger calmly and said, "You have forgotten who helped you when you were weak." He waved his hand and used his magic again. In a moment, the tiger turned back into a small mouse. The mouse was ashamed. It ran away into the forest and never came back. Moral: we should never forget those who help us in difficult times. Always be humble and thankful. What an amazing story, right? The hermit learned that helping others is good, but true wisdom is choosing what is right. Even a small decision can change a whole life. So think wisely and be kind always. Thanks for listening. See you in the next story. Like, subscribe, comment for more amazing stories.